Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start on a computer because iCloud's web export is the only reliable way. Sign into iCloud. With your Apple ID, open Contacts, select All, then use the settings gear to export vCard. Save that VCF file to your desktop or upload it to Google Drive or Dropbox so your Android device can reach it. Once done, make sure the file is intact and not 0 bytes. This single vCard will contain all contact entries for import. Now move the exported vCard to your Android. Upload it to Google Drive or email the VCF to an account you can access on the phone, then download it to internal storage. Open your Android Contacts app, choose Import/Export, pick Import from VCF file and select the downloaded file. During import, choose which account to save contacts to phone, Google, or another account so they sync where you want them. Once imported, confirm duplicates and merged entries are as expected. Finish by letting the chosen account sync fully. Some entries appear after a minute or two. Open Google Contacts or the Contacts app to verify fields, photos, and labels. If duplicates appear, use the app's merge or cleanup tool to tidy records. If contacts are missing or corrupted, re-export from iCloud ensuring you exported all contacts and the VCF file size looks right, then re-import. If import still fails, try importing via Google Contacts on a computer and let Android sync that Google account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.